In this video, we will demonstrate how you can create job execution flows using the latest Windows Workflow Foundation.net framework. Building on this framework, you can define complex jobs using a rich set of activities, which are the basic workflow components. JAMS extends the base set for these workflow activities with a collection of its own that allows you to interact and perform tasks directly within the JAMS client. To get started, we'll define a new workflow job by selecting the JAMS workflow execution method. Instead of working with a blank source code editor as in other jobs, choosing this method opens a blank workflow designer screen. This is where we will build our workflow. The object-oriented JAMS workflow designer contains a three-panel interface that includes the toolbox, the design area, and the properties view. The Toolbox panel on the left contains dozens of grouped activities that can be used to build a workflow scenario. For example, JAMS-specific activities can submit jobs, set variable values, and create workflows using PowerShell commandlets. The Design panel is where the workflow building blocks are assembled by dragging and dropping chosen activities from the toolbox. Finally, the Properties panel allows you to define or modify individual properties that control each activity. Workflow jobs that contain multiple activities can be nested within a parent activity, such as a sequence, flowchart, and other container activities. For example, sequences are powerful container objects that can comprise other activities, such as if statements, which can then branch off in different directions. For this example, we'll insert several activities by first dragging a sequence object into the design area. Then, we'll insert other activities from the toolbar panel into the sequence container to set up a parent-child relationship. As its name implies, a sequence executes all child activities consecutively and can include if and while activities, as well as other kinds of control logic. In a sequence activity, all executions move in a forward direction. A flowchart activity, while similar to the sequence, can provide more flexibility by allowing the control to loop back to a previous step or skip a step entirely. Container objects can include other container activities within the same job. In addition, a workflow job can be used in conjunction with a setup to initiate a workflow job, or conversely, a workflow job can initiate a setup. Think of activities as Lego blocks that can be combined in many different ways to create customized workflow jobs that can include unique branching and conditional elements. Similar to other JAMS jobs, every workflow job uses the same properties that support scheduling, dependencies, and notifications. The JAMS sample library includes several examples to help you devise your own workflow jobs. To access the library, choose the External tab on the ribbon bar in the JAMS client and select the link to display and import individual samples.